Hello friends, in the last session we saw the installation of Docker Toolbox on Windows machine. Now friends, in this session we will see the installation of Docker on Linux Ubuntu machine. So friends, right now we are connected to the Ubuntu machine, and so let us start this session by executing the command sudo su. And now for the people who are very new to the Linux or Ubuntu operating system, you don't have to worry, I will explain you each and every of the command whatever we will use in this session. So friends, here the task or work of sudo su command is to get the root user privileges for the current user, and the reason friends why we executed this command before proceeding our session is because all the Docker command needs super user privileges for their successful execution. Now friends, before proceeding with Docker installation, let us first check whether the Docker is already installed on this machine or not, and so the command to check whether Docker is already installed on this machine or not is docker version. And with this, here we can see that right now the output of this command is the program Docker is currently not installed. You can install it by typing apt install docker.io. So basically friends, it is saying that Docker is not installed on this machine, and at the same time it is also giving us the suggestions on how we can install the Docker on this machine. So now friends, let us first get the updates of the packages on this machine. And the command for getting the updates of the packages on any Ubuntu machine is apt-get update-y. And with this command's execution friends, all the packages or the softwares got updated on this Ubuntu machine. And here, as now we can see that the package updation is done. So let us execute the command for Docker installation. And so the command for Docker installation is apt-get install-y docker.io. And now friends, let us press enter to execute this command. And friends, with this now Docker is successfully installed on this machine. And so now let us verify this by executing the docker version command again. And with this, here we can see friends the output of this command, and we can see here that this output contains two sections, that is the Docker client section and the Docker server section. And here both the Docker client and Docker server have the same version, that is 18.09.7. And also we can see that both these components are present on Linux operating system. So now let us execute some more Docker command friends. So let us execute the command docker space -v. And this command is very similar to Docker version command friends, but this command provides only the version of Docker server and not the Docker client. And now friends, let us execute the command to pull and run the hello world Docker image. The same command which we executed in the previous session inside the Docker quick start terminal in case of Docker toolbox. So docker run and then the image name which is hello-world in our case. And now let us press enter to execute this command. And here we can see friends the output of this command is same as what we got in the previous session, and we can see the output message here, hello from Docker. Now friends, let us see how we can check the status of Docker service running on the Ubuntu machine, and also how we can start, stop and restart this service. So friends, the command to check the status of Docker service is service docker status. And with this command's execution, here we can see friends that right now the status of Docker service is active and running. So now friends, let us stop this Docker service and then let us again check the status of the Docker service. But before executing the command, we need to go back again to the terminal. So for going back to the terminal for executing the commands, we need to press Ctrl+C key together. And now as we are back onto the terminal, so now let us stop this Docker service by executing the command service docker stop. And then now let us check the status of the Docker service again. So service docker status. And here we can see friends, now the status of the Docker service is appearing as inactive and dead. And this is because right now our Docker service is in stopped mode. So now let us again go back to our terminal by pressing the Ctrl+C key on the keyboard. And then here let us again start our Docker service by executing the command service docker start. And we can also restart the Docker service friends with the command service docker restart. So this restart command friends stops the Docker service first if it's running and then starts it again. So friends, this is how you can start, stop or restart the Docker service on any Ubuntu machine. So friends, with this, here in this session we have seen how we can install the Docker on Ubuntu machine. So friends, see you in the next session. Till then, take care, tata, bye bye.